Hi, my name's Dr. Janet Brill. I'm a nutritionist. I'm also a best-selling author. During the pandemic, I was probably like everyone else and let my healthy lifestyle kind of go down the drain. Not getting to the gym was very depressing, and so I gained weight, and I was pretty sad there for a while until my girlfriend told me about Becca and her powHERbands class, and how it was only 17 minutes a day and how great it was. So I said, okay, signed up, and I love it. I think I love the camaraderie. I love Becca, who's so supportive and so wonderful, and it's really changed my life. So I want to thank you, Becca, and I will keep doing my powHERbands at home for 17 minutes a day. Thank you so much. I love your program.
I found you to be very heart-centered, and it was clear that you cared not only about supporting someone's nutrition and their health, but also in regards to them getting clarity and being clear about where they're going in their lives. So thank you. Bye-bye.
And like, I was kind of at the beginning, I was a little bit skeptical about 17 minutes. So I was like, all right, well, 17 minutes, it's, okay. I could totally find 17 minutes a day for me, that I was worth 17 minutes a day. September 27th, 2020, October 26th, 2020. This is 4 weeks in. This is halfway through the program. And again, September 27th, 2020, October 26th, 2020. It's nice because if you want to do it more than once a day, you can do it more than once a day. Now, my results, I've only been doing once a day. Becca, there's something about her when you meet her, something about her spirit, something about her energy, something just about her that brings you from the I think I can do it to the I know I can do it. During the 8 weeks, that helps you learn eating and cooking and tricks to do this and tricks to do that, and just lots of empowerment in the program. I know at 4 weeks, and I knew at 4 weeks that this is something that I am going to stay with. And just, I would recommend it to anybody. I would recommend Becca to anybody. She is an amazing person, and absolutely 100% worth every second of that 17 minutes. Thank you, Becca, for coming into my life.